What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo because I haven't been here in a while. So yeah, let's go check out the Camarillo Nike outlet and then we'll stop by a few other stops. All right, I don't have any time First of all, did I say spots? Hopefully we can hit up a bunch of spots today. I don't have any time restraints or anything, so should be good. All right, let's start with this Nike outlet. They do have the 20% off for members, and then see if they got the 20% off the clearance wall too. This is pretty dope because that means 20% off the heat wall, and we normally don't get that. Only problem is there's just not much on the heat wall. You got these in a size 13. We just saw this at Westlake. You get the 20 and 20 over there. Got some dunks. Jordan 2s. These are the collab. Oh, okay. I'm just not a fan of these. No, not at all. That leather looks extra mediocre. Damn, dude, extra mediocre. Yeah, I don't even know what these are called. These are the collabs that came out there. They got one size here. Oh my goodness, this is usually all clearance section stuff right here. And man, they got regular aisles here because they're that low on merch. Is that what that means? Wow. But they, and they're not giving the extra 20% off the wall. Oh yeah, they are. Never mind. They just didn't have any signs. Okay. All right, let's look around. All right, since the clearance section is small, we're just gonna start at the small size and we're gonna move up. Hirachis come for $100. Remember, you do get that 20% off that, and then you also get 20% off for the members or the memberships. $1.65 for these size 7.5. $120 for this colorway. Zion ones. I just grabbed one of these, but I got the full box and everything. Same price. I got the Oreo one here as well, $90. Size 8, ton of those Air Max 2019s. Ton of these as well. Did I say 2019s? Obviously 2017s. These are these are still 120. You got the Kill Shot 2 leathers right here, going for 85. Got some of the KD14s. This is the, I thought this was I think this is the On Pro, right? Nah, this is the yall Cancer Fund one. Okay. I think the pink is a little different from the On Pearls. $130 for these, and then you get those extra discounts under $100. That's not bad for KD14s. It's a size 8, 8.5. Do got some Pegasus Shield 37s. Go for 50. Extra discount. That's like, damn, extra discount. That's hella cheap. Yeah, 20, and then I still have one extra birthday coupon. So damn, that brings it down to what, $27? Holy crap! These the Westbrook, the Take 1 threes. Those are size 9, going for retail price. Dang, we're in the size 10 now. A lot of the same stuff. This is really a good deal. $170 with that extra discount. That brings that down big time. Size 10.5. I saw this colorway just for the first time. I don't know what colorway that is. Man, these are $170 right here. They're just leather, but it like feels plasticky. Okay. Dude, not seeing much. The size 11, $65 for these. LeBrons were the first one was a 10, and the second one was a 10.5. Phantom Elite GTs go for $2. Dang. That's size 11. Oh, this is another pair of Hirachis, different colorway. Go for $120 though. Size 11. So like Infinity War Finance, $130. These are 11.5. Still got plenty of these. Air Force Ones. This is a size 12. $110 for this one. Okay. No, these are different. All right, Flytrap 4, $60 for these, size 12. Size 13, more the same. $90 for these. Size 13. Alpha Fly Next Percent's $170, $9.99. Like, this is actually a really good time to buy one of these. Holy crap, under $100 with all the discounts. Size 14. Vaporfly Next Percent's like, look at this. You can get this for like $62. That's actually crazy. If you're a big footer, size 14 for the big feet gang. But yeah, more of the same. Oh, this is pretty dope. Okay, this one's pretty dope. Size 15. Got the velvet too. Oh, velvet on the inside. Outside they got nylon right here. And got the 3M. Obviously you can see the 3M thing. But yeah, this is regular price. But with them extra discounts, I'm telling you, the 20, then the 20, That's what's up. Size 14, Pegasus shields, same price. Wow. And some Vomeros right here. $80 for those. That's actually a hell of a deal. Wow. All right. Deal's amazing, but the selection not really. Do got the Jordan 11 Low Comfort, Jordan Air NFH. That's like, I've just recently started seeing these. Kind of weird. Zions, regular price. What the heck? Take 1.3s, Hydro 6s, another one of those. Giannis Immortality, 2 different colorways. Budget version of the Giannis's Tentacumpo, I guess. The Flytrap 4s. A few different colorways. The blue one right here. Oh, got even more. Mostly white. Katy Trey 5.8s. Witness 5s. I don't know why I got all loud right there. Too. Got the Soldier 14s. Ton of these. By a ton, I mean like multiple displays. That's why they're on sale even more. Witness 5s. Oh, okay, so the other one separate. Ton of these. Last colorway. This whole section filled with Witness 5s. Got the boots right here. Got some soft slides. Material's really nice on these actually. Okay. Asuna slides, Asuna 2s, Blazer mids, Blazer court mids. These are all the canvas versions. Oh, this is the Court Legacy canvas. Another one of those. OG Tailwind 79s right there. Huaraches on sale. What the hell? They made these hella limited. Now they're at the outlets. Got a ton of sizes. 6 all the way to 15. What the hell? Got Prestos, Free Run 2s. Air Force One Lux. They have some dope stuff in the aisles right here. Air Force One Lux right here. Mid Jumbos, the Blazers. Air Flight 89s. Got the weird ISPA section right here with the Nike Flow. Okay. Glide Flyees. The Drifters with the weird sock or the weird toe thing right there. Space Hippie ones. Pegasus 83s. Another one of the OG Pegasus right here. Another one. More of the Tailwinds, 79s. Got tons of stuff in the aisles right here. Air Max 2017s. Dang, this whole section. Oh, it's the same color. 2017s. Another one of these. React 270s. Seeing them hella discounted. Wow. Air Max Pre-Days. Another one of those. 2090s. Couple different colorways. Then plenty of running shoes. Infinity Run Flyknits. Epic. The Phantom React Flyknits. React Milers going for hella cheap. Remember, Nike members get an extra 20% off. You get to use that coupon 1 time per day. And that deal is going on till August 7th. That's what they said. Hopefully this video comes out before that. Hella backed up on videos. Well, we'll talk about that. But yeah, Pegasus 37s, Infinity Run Flyknits, more Pegasus 37s, black and white version, Invincible Run Flyknits, Alpha Flies going for $219. This place does get hella crowded. Line, amusement park kind of line right there, and then it goes way back here. Wow. Did forget to show my mediocre outfit for the day. Do got some, I think they call them the Jordan Hydro 11 bread whites. I think that's what they call them. Some Jordan slide. And then did go with all gray today. Okay. See what's going on with the apparel section. Apparel section here is sometimes whatever, sometimes amazing. Let's check out the clearance stuff. Got red Nike sweats, $50, normally $80. Remember, it is 20% off. All clearance apparel as well. And then the membership too, $45 for these. These are all XLs right here. The sweats, large. More XL sweats right here, $45. Normally $55. Okay. Not seeing too many shorts. These are some mediums right here, going for $35. Super lightweight, super thin. I already said where you go with super thin pants on the channel before. Check out the tops right here. Adebayos. Did that fool just get traded? I don't know. $100 for these. Yeah, these are all small though. Penny jerseys. Seen these like a gazillion times. $70 for these. Purple Jumpman t-shirts, $17.97. $30 for these. These are only $75 for a freaking t-shirt. Right? Mediums, more of the same. And largest, yeah, a lot of repeats, man. Nike Tech Fleece, $140 for these. $140. This is XL though. Normally $160. This hoodie right here, This is an double XL, 65 for this one. Didn't Damn D get like a t-shirt or something just because he liked the fact that it says freak on it? I thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, dude got these right here. Bucks, damn, regular retail price. Dude got the All-Star. This is the Nike NBA All-Star shirts, right? Or the hoodies or sweatshirts, $30. Penny t-shirts. These is going for $30. Got BTS in the background. I still can't understand what these fools are singing. But yeah, $130 for these. These are normally $3 if I remember. Yeah, the Olympic jackets. I think tech fleece jackets. All right, lines are getting longer and longer. Now it goes around this part here. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I think the lines are crazier than. Sorry, I think the lines are crazier than anything right now. All right, I did just buy some socks. Everyday Plus Cruise right here. They're not on sale. 22. Maybe I should get the Max, Everyday Max. I should try that. I don't know. 22 for those as well. Not on sale. And we're checking out the women's section. Women's section did not get smashed down like the guys. All right, 20% off. Women's clearance. Check it out. Air Max 2017s. These are size 12, 10.5 men's. Going for $135. $135. A little. And that purple is like more of like a pink. Remember, 20% off, then 20. Metcons, these are size 12, $50. Dude, if you just need workout sneakers, this is a size 12 women's, 10.5 men's, $50. Did get 2020. Damn, that brings it down to what, under $30? Yeah, $30, about $30, maybe 31. Daybreaks go for $90. Oh no, my bad, $81, kind of a weird price. Size 11. More Daybreaks go for 70, that's a size 10. Another Daybreak, holy crap, it's all Daybreaks. $55, size 10 and a half. I think size 10 Infinity Royal Finance go for $60. $50 for these are the Shield. Seeing a lot of repeats, a lot of the same stuff, and by a lot I mean a lot. Yeah, it's like that all throughout the clearance section right here. And the women's size 8 do got some these are the platform version. Oh yeah, they're called the Blazer platforms. Blazer Love platforms. Okay. Well, if you need a little lift, not too bad. Pretty clean. Mostly white. $105. These are size 8. Nike Burrows going for $55. When I said a lot of repeats, not an exaggeration. These are the Air Max Diaz. These are size 8 going for $75. Got them in all black. Look, all the same. $75 as well. These are 8.5s. I'm telling you, more the same, more the same. All right, all same stuff. All right, let's check out the aisles. Women's aisles, it's kind of been like this for quite some time. The Daybreaks, Zoom 2Ks, Air Max 2017s right here. This is one of the pretty dope things. Interesting colorway though. Air Max 90s right here, 85. We've seen these on sale at the retail shops. Air Max 97s, Super Rep 2s for those of you ladies that like high intensity interval workouts. Super Rep 3s, oh man. Oh, I thought the technology looked way different. Stability, more stability, I don't know. Not too different, I guess. More of the Super Rep 2s. At least they're going on sale, it should be that way. The lower version, the Super Rep Goes. And then a bunch of generics. Might as well see a bunch of Skechers here. The Correlates, the Nike Legend Essentials. Just more stuff like this. All right, I think we're done. I scoured the hell out of this place. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Oh wait, the women's section, they do have some decent running shoes. They got the Pegasus 38s, what was that? 38s right there. More of those. Another colorway, Infinity Run Flyknits, Phantom React Flyknits, pretty much Epigraph Flyknits, no laces, elastic top. React Milers, budget React shoe right here, not bad. Pegasus 38, more of those. Then the couple of Invincible Run Flyknits. And then that's it. That's pretty much about it. I scoured the entire place. Line longer, or just as long as it was before. All right, let's go, dude. We're out. Damn, going from Nike to Adidas. Usually I drive over there, but parking is so crazy. Man, gotta walk, I guess. Dang.